The different municipalities and city comprising the province of South Cotabato in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. The province of South Cotabato has the city of Coronadal as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 12 or the SOCCSKSARGEN region. It is composed of 2 cities, 1 independent city and 1 component city, 10 municipalities and 225 barangays. It was founded on July 18, 1966. The total land area is 3,935.95 kilometers squared or 1,519.68 square miles. South Cotabato is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Davao del Sur, Sarangani, Sarangani Bay, and Sultan Kudarat. The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of South Cotabato are the following. We have the municipality of Banga with 22 barangays, the highly urbanized city, General Santos City with 26 barangays, Coronadal City, which serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 27 barangays, the municipality of Lake Cebu with 19 barangays, municipality of Norala with 14 barangays, municipality of Polomolok with 23 barangays, municipality of Santo Niño with 10 barangays, and the municipality of Soralia with 17 barangays. We also have the municipality of Tampakan with 14 barangays, municipality of Tantangan with 13 barangays, municipality of Tibuli with 25 barangays, and the municipality of Tupi with 15 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and cities comprising the province of South Cotabato in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.